If human diseases are studied, it is known that in the next 5 years, we will die of some deadly disease. All these diseases occur in your body, especially cancer, hepatitis B and C, diabetes and many other diseases. In the second phase, there are sacrifications of this disease. Millions of people were killed. Symptoms causes a human being from one human being. Its viruses are present in the air. Those who enter the respiratory within the breath. The circular virus of the Canis Senino has proved very dangerous, which is present in the whole world. The first virus that was coming to a specific area was limited. The third deadly disease is fear that is a treatment. Man listen to himself and bear the inside of him. The condition of fear takes great breath but also breathes. Nobody breathes good oxygen. Human hits that causes human beings. This feature of fear feature was tried on a prisoner in the US. Friends, there was a death row inmate in the United States. Scientists there tested the prisoner. The prisoner was told that he would not be hanged but would be killed by being bitten by a snake. Then the prisoner's eyes were closed by showing the prisoner a snake. Then 2 needles were stuck in the prisoner's foot and in a few seconds the prisoner died. Then, when the laboratory test was done, there was snake venom in the body of the prisoner. Scientists have come to the conclusion that neck wounds are formed in the body in the same way that a person thinks.